Home-based management of COVID-19. Niti Aayog issued a press release on the 17th November 2021, compendium of the best practices on the home-based management of COVID-19. Dear friend, why home-based care required? Home-based care is the low-cost model and can reach many people at the same time with the help of the digital tools such as the telemedicine, call centers, apps, etc. It emerged an important pillar of the pandemic management. Various home-based practices included in the document provided holistic support to the patient and their families. However, there could be some limitation if all services are not connected and integrated at all levels, and if there are delay in the referral, transportation, and admission. There is a risk of the spread of the infection to a family member if protocols are not followed properly. Clear standard operating procedure and training are therefore extremely critical for efficient home care. Hospitalization should be accessible at well-functioning referral facility. The integrated command and facilitation center should be flexible, adaptable, and resilient for the use in COVID-19 and adaptable non-COVID related services in a quiescent pandemic situation. Community engagement and management have contributed to the large scale of take up of home based care. Local efforts are essential for better case management and for reducing fear and stigma. Community preparedness can help in ensuring that no one is left behind. The practices on home based care described in this compendium may be adapted and replicated by the state union territory for the scale up in respective context, building on their experiences. It is hoped that the compendium will be provide a strategic direction to decision maker for designing sustainable healthcare models at the national and sub-national level. Full report can be accessed on the link given below www.niti.gov.in sites. In this press release, Niti Aayog releases compendium of the best practices on home-based management of COVID-19. Niti Aayog released on 17th November 2021 home-based management for COVID-19, a compendium of best practices adopted by the state to combat the pandemic. The report was launched by the Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Member Health Dr. Binod K. Paul, CEO Amitabh Kant, and Additional Secretary Dr. Rakesh Sarwar. The compendium presents a holistic picture of various home-based care models adopted by the states and summarizes basic principles and practical recommendations. Several of these successful strategies can be replicated and scaled up. Over the past 2 years, the country has been facing an unprecedented public health crisis in the form of the COVID-19. Since the onset of the pandemic, a state government have responded with the various innovative measures to contain the spread of the virus. The changing dynamics of the COVID-19 infection call for early identification, remote monitoring, and appropriate referral mechanisms to reduce the number of the severe cases and the death. This led to a formulation of a home-based care model for COVID-19. Thank you so much.